subscribe! Counting Sheep with Chloe. In a charming little village nestled between rolling hills and green pastures lived a curious and bright-eyed girl named Chloe. One night, as Chloe lay in bed, she couldn't fall asleep. Determined to find a way to lull herself into dreamland, Chloe decided to embark on a magical adventure, counting sheep. Chloe tiptoed out of her cozy cottage, the moonlight guiding her way. In the soft glow, she found a single fluffy sheep nestled by the fence. "One sheep," whispered Chloe, smiling as she imagined it leaping over the fence. As Chloe ventured further into the village, she discovered a tranquil meadow dotted with wildflowers. 2 sleepy sheep grazed contentedly under the sky. 2 sheep, she counted, feeling a sense of calm wash over her. Walking up a small hill, Chloe found herself overlooking the village's picturesque landscape. 3 more sheep grazed peacefully near a babbling brook. 3 sheep, she whispered, the gentle sound of water soothing her. Continuing her adventure, Chloe reached the outskirts of the village, where she discovered a group of 4 playful lambs chasing each other in a grassy field. 4 sheep, she giggled, enchanted by their antics. The night was deepening, and Chloe climbed the highest hill in the village. At its peak, she saw a group of 5 sheep silhouetted against the moonlit sky. 5 sheep, she marveled, feeling the magic of the moment. With a heart full of joy and a mind at ease, Chloe returned to her cozy cottage. As she snuggled into her bed, she closed her eyes, envisioning the sheep she counted. 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4.